Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to learn what are the important theory questions to be studied for semester 6 under the subject Innovative Financial Service. Okay, now in this video, I have broken up the theory in 4 different parts. That will be Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 and Module 4. Okay, so these are the most important topics that you need to cover, and even if you cover this much, I feel that will be more than enough to attempt everything in the paper. Okay. So let us see which are the theory topics to be covered. Okay. Under module 1, okay, these are the 9 topics which are very important. Number 1, explain the problem in financial services sector. Second, characteristic of financial service. Third, constituent of financial service market. Fourth, short note on banking and non-banking company. Fifth, types of factoring. Sixth will be based on advantages and disadvantages of factoring. Again, very important. Next will be factoring versus forfeiting. Next is benefit and drawbacks of forfeiting. And last is factoring and bill discounting. Okay. So under the first module, these are the 9 topics which are very important. Okay. So if I'll cover up this will be more than enough under the first module. Okay. Now let us see the second. So see that we'll note down these 9 topics from the first module. Second, under second module, you have these 7 questions which are most important. Number 1 will be like short note based on merchant bankers. Similarly, we'll have a short note on underwriters. Next is stockbroker and subbrokers. Next is trading and clearinghouse. Next we have like a distinguish between securitization versus factoring. Question number 6 is based on features of securitization. And last one will be benefit of securitization. Okay, so these are the 7 topics, very important topic from the second module. Next, under third module, we have 6 topics. Number 1, what are the various types of lease financing? Second, advantages and disadvantages of leasing. Third, advantages and disadvantages of hire purchase. Fourth, major issue in housing finance in India. Fifth, short note on National Housing Bank. And 6, features and types of venture capital. Okay, so under this third module, these are the 6 topics which are the most important one. And lastly, in module 4, okay, we have sources of consumer finance. There are 11 topics in this. Question number 2 is types of products. Question number 3, consumer credit scoring. Those are like this is like the short note. Okay. Next is types of plastic cards, very important topic. And what are the benefits and danger, meaning disadvantages of debit card, again very important topic. Consumer protection. Next we have short note based on smart card, under which you will have to learn the features of smart card and types of smart card. Next is what are the features of credit rating. Next we have advantages of rating. 10th one, process of credit rating. And last, credit rating agency in India. Okay, so these are the 4 module ka important topics that you need to cover up in innovative financial service subject. Okay, again I'll just go through. Okay, so this is module 1. Okay, you all can take a screenshot or you can note it down. This is module 2. So module 1 has 9 questions, module 2 7, module 3 is 6 topics, and module 4 with 11 topics. Okay, so you all can note down these topics and start preparing on this. This is more than enough based on the theory to be learned under the subject innovative financial service. Okay. Chalo, I hope everyone have noted it down. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.